Well, hey, what's up, everybody? Peace and love to each and every one of you. Well, let's get on with the show. What do you think? Mail call day. Yep. Just going to show you what came in the mail. That's that. Then I'll do a review on it. Okay? And then later, I'll do an update review to let you know how well that pen has held up. All right? You got that? Cool. Oh, by the way, you haven't subscribed? Well, why not? Well, get that finger and put it on the subscribe button right now and hit subscribe right now. Do you hear me? And while you're at it, my fine inky friends, don't forget to hit the bell. It'll notify you when I load up a marvelous video. Let's go. Alright, let's get this sucker open. And we'll be doing some jamming because it's got some cool stuff in here. Well, cool to me anyway. Nothing in there. And here they are. Look. 2 boxes. Oh, look at that. They're nice Jinhao boxes. First time for that. Nice and squished. Okay. Alright. So let's see. Here we go. The Jinhao 159 in a gold-plated trim. Very nice. And the other one, I can even get a hold of it. It's going to be a Jinhao. In another squished up box. And the first time in my life that I have ever gotten a Jinhao anything in a box. But that's cool. Different. Alright. And another Jinhao 159. The green one. So, why so many 159s? Well, because I love them. I really like the 159 a lot. Also, very affordable. Also, I can change the nib out simple friction fit nib to a number 6 Jowo nib size, whatever I want. Extra fine, medium, broad, you got the picture, that's it. So, and they all come with converters, and they're right pretty decent right out of the box. So, if you're on a very tight budget, or just a budget, bam, that'll do it. You don't have all those bells and whistles as the higher ends do, or other pens may have, but, you know, for the buck, you can't beat it. That's just my humble opinion. So, that's going to do it, folks. Don't forget to catch me later when I do the reviews. Alright? See ya. Oh, don't go away. Fooled you. Fooled you. We're not done yet. See ya. We're ready to go. Nah. Don't leave. Stay. Because we got one more. And then I promise you, then you can go. So let's get this real open. This is Mr. Announcer's bag. Let's see what he done today. Lord, he ordered a lot of stuff. On it. Here we go. Well, first, he's got a big bag and a little bag. Let's open up the little bag. Okay? As I cut my fingers off, don't worry if I cut one off, I still have 4 left. I don't need them. I'll just go nubs, okay? Okay. Here we go. Okay. Here we go. And that's all you get. Not really. Alright. Here we go. I'll just pull that little sucker out. Well, I guess I'll just cut this little sucker out. Alright, here we go. It's a black one. And it's a Jinhao. Looks like. Yep. Jinhao 750. It is a Jinhao something. Not a 750. Where's my eyeglass at? Da-da-da-da.
I don't see it.
There it is. Eyeglass time. It's not a 750. A 189 it looks like. Huh. Interesting. Cool. Okay. I never heard of that one. Oh, that's number one. Why I got that, I have no idea, but it's a cool looking pen. Then we got one in a box. And it's a black pen. And it's a, do the honors, your pen.
Stone something.
Yep, stone. Yep. Let's open it up. I don't want to ruin the box. If we can, open it up. Okay, here we go. Stone something. Here we go. Oh, that's a good looking pen. Reminds me of either a Jinhao or a, no, it's a fountain pen. Nice little velour cushion, rubber cushion. Ah, there you go. I can't even see it. You need that? I can see it.
Let's see. It says
Pretty dark.
Lucci. Or
Okay.
Lucci.
Haven't I done a review on one of these? Not on this particular
Not that
pen,
one, but I
on this
remember that
brand?
name, I think.
It looks like a very cool pen.
That has the geometric designs that I like so much.
It likes this kind of stuff. So do I. Yeah. Huh. Well, that's going to be interesting. Well, folks, that's going to do it today on all this like that kind of stuff. So, folks, until next time, take it slow. Be cool like you're school. Don't take no wooden nickels. Remember to watch Larry's fountain pen reviews. Don't forget to watch Larry's pen mail call. Don't forget to watch Larry's fountain pen, Zoom pen hangout. Don't forget my social media. Don't forget Facebook. And now shut up! Bye! Don't text and drive.